Turmeric health benefits. The spice, which is easy to add to smoothies and curries, shows promise when it comes to these health benefits. Lessens inflammation. For chronic conditions where inflammation starts to affect tissues in your body, taking turmeric may be beneficial. In one study of patients with ulcerative colitis, those who took 2 grams of curcumin a day along with prescription medication were more likely to stay in remission than those who took the medicine alone. Improves memory. Another clinical trial showed that 90 mg of curcumin taken twice a day for 18 months helped improve memory performance in adults without dementia. Researchers thought that the reduction in brain inflammation and curcumin's antioxidant properties led to less decline in neurocognition, which is the ability to think and reason. Curcumin may also have a role in preventing the development of Alzheimer's disease. Lessens pain. Turmeric has also deep roots in both Chinese traditional medicine and Ayurveda for treating arthritis. Research suggests that taking turmeric extract could potentially reduce pain from osteoarthritis. But I wouldn't rely on a curcumin supplement alone, medical management should come first. Fights free radicals. Turmeric has antioxidant properties and one study shows that it may protect your body from free radicals by neutralizing them. Another study suggests that turmeric's antioxidant effects may also stimulate the action of other antioxidants. Lowers risk of heart disease. With its ability to help reduce inflammation and oxidation, turmeric could lower the risk of heart disease. Studies show that turmeric may help reverse the heart disease process. In healthy middle-aged and older adults who took curcumin supplements for 12 weeks, resistance artery endothelial production, which plays a significant role in high blood pressure, was increased. Another study followed 121 people who had coronary artery bypass surgery. A few days before and after the surgery, the group that took 4 grams of curcumin a day saw a 65% decreased risk of having a heart attack in the hospital. Turmeric also may be helpful when used along with medication for managing cholesterol levels. Research shows that curcumin is safe and may protect those at risk for heart disease by lowering certain levels of cholesterol. Helps fight depression. If you have depression, the protein known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, is reduced in your hippocampus, which helps with learning and memory, starts to shrink. A study shows that curcumin can boost BDNF levels and may reverse changes. Another study shows that curcumin was just as effective as fluoxetine, Prozac, in lessening symptoms of depression. Curcumin may also increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, which are chemicals in your brain that regulate mood and other body functions. Helps prevent cancer. Curcumin may affect cancer growth and development according to a few studies. One study, which focused on colorectal cancer, saw a 40% reduction of the number of lesions in the colon in men.